adding anything to it. And after fermenting, we bring it here for distillation. Now first distill which you get in our local language, we call it urrak, which is the milder version of Feni. Like alcohol content is just around 8 to 10%. So we bring it back for a second distill where it gets stronger. And if you distill it back for the third time, it gets even stronger. Now actually Feni, as we all know, is alcohol. But when you have just little bit of it, it's a very good medicine also, which is very medicinal. If you have a constant cold, cough, or if you have an upset stomach, it's very good medicine. Or normally what happens is, as we cross the age of 50, 55 years, we suffer from clotting in our arteries as well. So if you have little bit of it, that's around 20 to 25 milliliters before your lunch or dinner, it acts like an aspirin, which helps to keep your blood in dilute condition as well. For example, not only Feni for that instance, you could have any alcohol which is fermented naturally. Any alcohol fermented naturally could be had as medicine. You'll have tried having Feni anytime, any of you? You did? Okay, so if you want to have more of it or if you want to taste it when we go back, I'll give you a little bit. You can all have it as an appetizer before your lunch. But medicine, as I said, if you have just tiny bits. If not, it's just an excuse for having alcohol. Because the alcohol content is very high. So if you have it in glasses, then it's like a rocket fuel. You're ready for takeoffs.
What is the alcohol content after you've taken it out the third time?
The third time it exceeds around 20-22% as well. It is strong, the third distill. But in Goa, normally we are not permitted for the third distill, but people do it.
The regular ones that you get
Is the second distill normally, yeah.
How much percent alcohol?
That is something around 18%, 17-18%. Same pepper. Now first stage peppers are green. So once it is ripe, it turns red. And if you want to have it the same color, that is if you want to have it green or red, you just pick it from the plant the way you want it and keep it in salt water. It remains the same color. Here it remains green or red. Now if you take the red one and boil it in hot water, the outer skin peels off, which after drying gives you white pepper. And if you dry the red in sunlight, it's black. So basically it's all four which come on the same creeper, just the processing here makes it different. That's all. Be able to show you any cloves because clove is a seasonal spice. You get it only from October, November and December. But you could crush and smell it.
Ah. Long.
That's cloves. And cloves, as we all know, are very good for your toothaches. But when you go to buy this in the pharmacy, we get clove oil and we get clove bud oil as well. Now, clove oil is the oil which is from the leaves of the plant, whereas the bud oil is from the small bud. Now, when you take a clove, there is a small tiny bud which is on top. And oil extracted from that bud is the bud oil, which is expensive compared to the clove oil, but it's more effective. And the entire medicine of clove here is in the small bud. Like normally what happens is when we go to buy this in the market, we find the clove. But at times it is without the small bud. And here if it is without the bud, then the lower portion is just the stick, which has a very strong flavor and smell, but no medicine. And that's because the entire medicine is in the small bud. So if you go to buy it and you find it without the bud, then that is after extraction of the bud. This is which come from the same tree. Anybody for this spice? It's two on the same tree.
Oh, okay.
It's mace and the nutmeg, which come on the same tree. Like once it is ready on the tree itself, the nut slits in between and it opens up. So the outer covering is the mace and there is a nut inside. Now if you keep the nut in the shell, you can keep it for a very long time. You could preserve this for about 15 to 20 years as well. But once you break it from the shell, that is, once you powder this, you have to use it before 1 or 2 years time. And normally what we do is we use it for making pudding, sweets or for flavoring as well. So when you use it in your food, you must always keep in mind that you use this in small pinches. Because here when you use lot of it, it's like a drug. Like some of you must be aware of it as well. In some places, nutmeg is banned. Because what people do is they crush it, roll it in their cigarettes and they smoke the nutmeg. That's why it's stopped in some places. But in India, what we do is we add 1 pinch of it to 1 liter of water. And we have it for about 4 to 5 times in a day, which is good for your diarrhea as well. And externally, when you use it as medicine, it's very good for gout. Now, if you have gout, you just take a whole nutmeg, crush it, add lime and ginger to it. Make a paste of all three, put it on your knees, your feet, on your joints as well. That helps to absorb the fluid accumulated and it takes care of your swelling at the same time. Actually, even these here are not ready. So when we go back to the shop, I'll give you the dried ones. You could smell the dried ones at the shop.
Lovely. Ami, look, pineapple. खाके देखना है।
Okay, and as I was telling you about the elephants are up there. But that's it. So wash after you finish your spice trip, you could come back and do your ride or wash as well. For that you don't have to walk all the way. Your driver will get you in your car right up till the gate. They don't grow bigger than this size, just this much. But don't go on the size. These are very, very, very hot compared to the normal big chilies which you get. Any volunteers here?
Yeah.
If you want to smell this, you could just smell it and it's small but very, very hot.
I'll try it after some training.
Actually, first these are green and once ripe it turns deep red. Now these will be not very hot, but the red ones are dynamite.
Oh.
Or if someone really, really wants to taste it, you just touch the tip, of your tongue to the chili. You can make out how hot these are. In Goa, we especially use this for making papadums, or we use it for making pickles as well. But even when you go to the restaurants, you get the chicken piri piri, prawns piri piri. It's made from these.
I hope you are not using them in your meals.
We use this in the papadum and pickle. Just two dishes which are made from the piri piris. The bark of the tree. Now how we get cinnamon here is once this trees grow around 7 to 13 years, we start cutting the branches of this. And this we do especially during the rainy season. So the tree here keeps on growing. And when we cut it, we just slit it in between and dry this. And once it is completely dry, the outer skin peels off. Now once the skin peels off, we dry it in shade and it curls up. So you get the cinnamon bark in the rolled form. So later from the inner bark, we extract oil, cinnamon oil, which is good if you have your joint pain, muscle pain. It's good for people suffering from arthritis, spondylitis as well. But when you use this oil for massage, you cannot use it directly on your skin. You mix it with a base oil. It's very strong, very concentrated. So if you use it directly, it could even burn your skin. So when you mix it, your base oil could be any oil, like almond, olive, coconut, any oil. You can even use your cooking oil. Now you mix it and massage downwards. And when you massage, stress more on the joints. So here when you keep doing it continuously, the blood which is in your vein becomes dilute. That makes your capillaries active. And at the same time, this takes care of your joints, it takes care of your muscles as well. And leaves of the cinnamon tree, in India we use this as bay leaves. We use these leaves for flavoring as well. But the cinnamon tree is absolutely different from the bay trees. In India we don't grow bay trees. So we use cinnamon leaves as bay leaves. That's cinnamon and bay tree. Most expensive spice. Anybody can tell me what is the third most expensive spice? Elaichi. Elaichi is, it's called queen of spices also. Cardamom. But you don't have cardamoms growing on the plant. It comes down at the shoots here. You can see the shoots which are coming out here.
Yeah.
The cardamom pods grow down at the shoots. But there are three kinds of cardamoms. You get green, white and black cardamom. But out of all the three, the green cardamom is very medicinal, which is very good for memory as well. But normally what we do is when we use cardamoms, we normally peel the outer skin and we use the small seeds which are inside. But the medicine is in the outer husk of the green cardamom. So when you use it, you take it, crush it and add it to your milk, tea, coffee, food also. Now that's only green cardamom, as I said. The white is used for extracting oil, which is used for making medicines. It's used in cooking as well. And black is the big one, which is used for making masalas. That's green cardamom here.
Oh, thank you, man. All of us. Cool. Go on then.
Don't use a big one. Use a small one.
How do you zoom in and out?
There's a thing at the top. Cool.
Don't worry about that at the moment.
Specially made from London, Sunrise Bakers.
Move up that way.
Made in Goa.
That way.
Yeah, you can take snaps.
Yeah, I'll take the snaps one.
Where should put
Part
it?
your cake.
Cut my cake. Should we put it higher somewhere? Put it on that one.
That's what I did suggest, kind of thing.
I'll take up, Lynn.
Go on, you can sit next to him, or wherever.
Oh, thank you. Excuse me.
Yeah, because birthday cake.
Anyway,
And you
Yeah, hang on. I need to do the curtain. There's too much light.
do you want to switch the lights on again?
Yeah. Where's the light switch?
It is done.
There it is, the corner one.
This one.
When did you get this done?
Don't you worry.
Don't you worry. Exactly. Can't think.
Look up there.
Blow the back candles, make a wish.
Yes.
Yes. Sure.
Off we go.
Right.
Woo! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! And once for good luck, hip hip, hooray!
Right.
Go on, happy birthday to you. You
You like the shape?
You should have put it in a plate.
Never mind.
wanna sing
Like
it?
shape?
You wanna sing again? Happy birthday
Happy
to
birthday
you.
to
Happy birthday
Like-
to you.
Yes, I like it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Sunny. Born on the other. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, all of you.
Right. Do you want a big plate?
Do you want to do the little feeding bit?
It's up to you. I think we should put this in here, right?
We'll leave it
No,
there.
it didn't sit right when we put it the first time. That's why I took it out. Huh.
Pick it down.
It's alright, leave
Just put the
it.
slice in there, innit?
Got the knife.
Take the candles out first.
Sorry, Godum. Sorry.
Yeah.
And candle.
Yeah.
It won't bring too much for that.
Wow.
I hope you like it. Yeah, I'm not sure.
Oh, this was the exciting one.
You have some movement. Is it nice?
Look that way.
Aşkı hurike. Kale kale kare hai.
आपकी बारी भी आएगी.
Joking.
Come closer. Happy birthday. Right,
आपकी बारी.
who's next?
Quite nice actually.
Huh?
Better than another one.
If you want to take a snap.
No, there's no need for snaps.
Oh, okay.
You got a video.
Stop that.
Get on age.
Cheers, mate. Right, well done.
Come.
Cheers,
Happy
mate.
birthday, Sunny.
Yep.
Hope you enjoyed the rest of your day. We've kept you cooped up in this apartment for this all day, basically.
Cool. Happy birthday, that's it. Brilliant, thank you. Thanks a lot.
To go up.
Do you want to say anything else to anyone?
Yeah, thanks for all the effort and everything. Yeah.
It's in
You
going.
like it, yeah?
It's your treat tonight, yeah?
It's going. It's going cake, so you better enjoy. Around after we've been there, try and get the front end of it.
Don't want to piss these people off. You see, last time you were listening, you were saying they were complaining. I mean, there's people in there as well, look.
I used to be a supervisor for the security, for the hotel security. The one who I came to take water in the morning. Yeah. I used to sit over there only in the night time. I was here for almost 6 months, so I left this group. I used to work for this group for 2 years. And then I joined this.
Nice to see
So
you.
I got some promotion and all. So it's good, no? If you get good money. At present, there's nothing for me to do over here. So 5 o'clock I can go. Come at 9 o'clock. Just sit over here, chat.
Nice and easy.
Yeah, easy. Okay, see you.
Try and take some long shots as well.
Really faint.
Where is it? It's gone now, it's gone. Tomorrow's our last day. What time is it now? 6:45 the sunset, so we got to be out here for about 6:20.
बहुत पैसा वाला है, ये लोग बहुत पैसा वाला है, बड़ा बड़ा। उसका पास वो जो ऊपर बैठा है उसका बड़ा शोरूम है उधर पोंडा में।
हाँ शोरूम में।
हाँ बहुत पैसा ऐसा फेंकता है चिल्लर।
Has he got it? Yeah.
Oh, शुरू। आगे। Hello. Hello, kitty. भूख लगी है। Naughty ना।
But what are you looking at?
Oh.
We're going to the sea rose. You want to come? We're going there now. You want to come?
Kitty.
It's up to you.
Hey, kitty. Ooh. Say hello. Ooh.
What do they see?
This is Ginger.
How many cards should they?
Oi.
Back pocket.
Up to find out how she was yesterday.
What does it say she's doing?
She goes there, she cries when like she meows, like runs after them.
What are you then? What shall we call you? Tabby? Tabby, look. Look. You're on camera. Look at those eyes. Ooh. You're cute. Right, yeah. She knows she's cute. She's cutie girl. What are you? You're cute.
Figures
Yeah.
are huge,
Are you a boy or a girl? I don't even know. What are you? What are you, boy or girl? You a girl? You little girl. Look, camera. Look. Look. Hello? My name is Tabby. Ginger Tabby. She's purring. She's a kitty, little kitty. Isn't she beautiful?
There she is.
She's cute, isn't it? Cutie. Feel sorry for animals like you. When they die, man, it upsets everyone,
What
isn't
you
it?
doing? What you doing? Let her go if she wants to go, yeah?
Okay. Doesn't hold a few minutes.
Look, it's got another agenda.
Was it?
Friends.
What was the scene?
It's got stuff on friends.
I'll let you go in a minute. Just give me one little hug. Can't even feel it. It's so soft. Is she going to sleep?
She's chilling.
Is she going to sleep, Sonny?
I'm chilling up, please.
Just wash your hands when you come back.
Sleep. Do you ever feel itchy?
Sometimes
He always does. No, he does it at home.
This is the Hathi Mahal Hotel. Take that as well. Right, let's go, let's look around. You know it. The amount of people here.
Let's go downstairs.
Been to a shopping centre as well. Not bad. Not bad. I'm impressed.
Because now I'm Ayurvedic man, I'm not getting.
Okay, brilliant.
That's what they're just trying to make the use of maximum room, I guess.
That's what's missing from our place.
Huh?
That's what's missing from our place.
Our place, the fact that it doesn't even look like that.
Right, look, water side.
It's an easy one, got it?
It's alright, better than nothing, isn't it?
I think it's for children only.
Yeah, guess so.
Huh?
Guess so. The other one's a bit scared.
हाँ पहले मेरे को इधर बोला तुम क्यों बिल्ली रखते हैं, हमको गुस्सा लगता है, अच्छा नहीं लगता है। मैं बोला यार तुमको क्या आता है, हमारा उधर अच्छा हमको लगता है। वही हरामी है
ये चंगा नहीं बंदा।
हाँ
Oh.
She's alive, that's good.
अभी मैं उधर से था, मैं जब गया मैं बोला आया मेरे पास, लेके आया।
अच्छा
ले गया, आप लोग कार में आया ना अभी।
हाँ ओके।
इतना झूठ बोलते हमको, हरामी बदमाश। देखो
इनको बाहर
उधर ना जान दो।
मैं क्या करेंगे, वो तो जाता है रात को उधर भी होटल में मच्छी फच्छी पड़ते ना कंटा वो।
अब तीसरी बिल्ली कहाँ से आ गई?
वो तीसरी किधर था मालूम नहीं मेरे को, वो आ गया।
फ्री किडीज। मतलब एक गवाच गई सी फिर? गवाच लॉस्ट हो गई सी?
गुम गई सी?
हाँ क्या गुम हो जाता है, मेरे को कैसे मार?
या ऐसे ही होना ना।
अभी मैडम देखा ना, अभी मैडम देखा और खुश होगा। मैडम बोला है तो किधर लेके आओ, मैं ठीक है जाएगा।
वो कहाँ पे है?
मैडम क्या साइकिल लेके दोनों मैडम क्या साइकिल लेके, इसीलिए मेरे उसके साथ में मैं जमता नहीं। वो बहुत हरामी है आदमी। आपका साथ में बैठ के गया था उधर टैक्सी में, हमको वो देखो आपका सामने में कैसा बोला था ना, हाँ जहर कौन देते हमारे क्या ऐसे बोलते।
वो हम गए लेके गया सीडी शॉप, सीडीज लैंड वहाँ से।
अच्छा
क्या सीडीज लैंड गए, वो बोला बंदे को देखी तो लैंड गए ऐसे के तो हो सकता है बिल्ली है।
आदमी की पूरा चुतिया बनाता है पूरा झूठ बोल के आदमी की पूरा खराब कर जाए।
हमको खाली सीरीज दे रहा था, खाली सीडी। हम क्या इसमें गाने वाली चाह दिया कि इन पे गाने, फिर बोलता अपने फ्रेंड को भाई इनको खाली दे दो, इनको कुछ नहीं पता। हमने सब सुना।
आपको सीडी का गाना चाहिए, लेकिन वो खाली सीडी दे रहा था।
हमने नहीं लाई, हम लोग लग गया पता भाई ये हमारे साथ क्या कर रहे हैं। और ये टैक्सी ड्राइवर जो है, हमने इनको हर रोज़ 2 हफ्ते हर रोज़ इसके साथ ही जाते हैं और किसी के साथ नहीं। हम इसके फ्रेंड भी बनाने की कोशिश की है, इन्हें तभी हमको
मारता है
या पीछे भी मारता है।
बाबा ऐसा आदमी आपको चाहिए खाली सीडी का गाना
गाने बोले ना सर गाने म्यूजिक का जैसे भी फिल्म सुनी जैसे भाई फिल्म
Just want to go. Just one shop.
वो क्या बोलता है ना, हम उधर छोड़ देते हैं, उधर चाहेगा तो
बहुत बड़ा सिटी है। सब जगह पे तुमको ये ऑटो रिक्शा है, टैक्सी है, बाइसिकल है। जो मांगता तुम्हारा काम 1 घंटे में करो, 2 घंटे में करो, आधा घंटे में करो। रिक्शा पकड़ के इधर आने का 80 रुपये।
Slowly.
These are quite heavy, you know, AJ.
Simone! Get ready in it! Have a nice flight! See you back in London. Wicked, man! Whoa!
Get back. Head down.
Come on, man! Woo! Wicked!
You going along?
Yeah.
Along? Oh, good.
I'm not sure if I'm maybe someone.
Operator.
No, this is
One of them.
check that out.
What's the rope?
Where's the rope?
What's the rope? Where's the rope?
Sir.
Nice to
I can't do it.
I know you can't do it. ये अपना दिल की ना जो है ना
How was it?
Wow!
शूटिंग करने के लिए क्या दबाने का?
Yeah, button. Laal button. Record. On recording हो रही है. दबा.
Out of the distance?
Yeah, big time. It's it. No, not that far. Third one. 1, 2, 3.
इधर है.
Tell this geezer, yeah, we're not like forward, yeah?
हमने देखना नहीं है.
पानी में नहीं जाना.
पानी में नहीं जाना.
Nice and easy, yeah?
नहीं गिर. पार्टी नहीं होना है.
होली राइड चाहिए. होली होली.
पार्टी नहीं होना बोल दो उसको.
हाँ?
Are you scared, Jyoti?
Relax,
Man, we're above. Just remember banana boat. Ready?
हेलो सर, हाथ छोड़ो. लीव हैंड. हाथ छोड़ो. लीव हैंड.
बनाना वरलेदान पेरन है उड़ी मार.
बनाना जल्दी जल्दी.
Don't worry,
don't worry.
ये पकड़ रहे हैं.
ए ललित जा भाग.
ललित उधर उड़ी मार, उड़ी मार.
अरे जल्दी करना.
आप रुको रुको रुको, कुछ नहीं होएगा मैडम, रुको.
Don't worry, don't worry. सीधा कर, पीछे ले, पीछे ले. पीछे ले, पीछे ले. पुणे वाले निकल.
Okay.
You alright? You want to do one more?
मजा आया?
You want to do one more? That's all, that's all.
Go in again. I'm scared. No, I don't like it.
Why?
Because I can't swim.
Come on, use your strength. Come on, pull.
ये जैकेट पकड़ मत रे, ये शक्या.
हाथ पकड़ खींच। ललित उठा के बिठा रे।
पटकन होगा ना छेगा
समझ गयो। मैं तो पाचेरो भारी मजा कर रहा हूँ।
आजा रे। You want to do one more? Hello, you want to do one more?
इनको बोट में पानो।
Bring it.
बनन पकड़ के खींच। रस्सी पकड़ के खींच। किसको डर लग रहा है? जिसको डर लग रहा है बोट में आ जाओ। रस्सी पकड़ खींच रे, रस्सी पकड़ खींच। ऊपर ललित चढ़े। ललित पीछे से चढ़ पहला। किसको डर लग रहा है मैडम? कौन आएगा ऊपर बोट में? आगे जा, आगे जा, आगे जा, भाग जल्दी, आगे भाग, आगे भाग।
You want to do one more twist? One more? इसको मजा आएगा। कितना में बोला रे?
क्या बोला? You okay?
Leave, banana leave.
डरता है वो, डरता है। उसको बोट में ले पहला। वो मैडम को बोट में ले सीधा। सीधा बोट में ले, सीधा बोट में ले, सीधा बोट में ले उनको। उनको बोट में ले सीधा। बनाना बाद में ले।
मैडम सर आप कौन मैडम का? वो डरता है वो। मैडम वो भगवान का नाम ले रहा है। क्या बोल रहे? क्या बोल रहा हूँ? गुड प्लेस में मेरे तो आंगली डाल रहा है। गुड प्लेस।
हेलो मैडम, बोट में आ जाओ।
मैम,
यू कम बोट।
मैडम का बोट में ला, बोट में। No, it's okay, no problem.
बोट में लाओ, बोट में लाओ।
मैम, बोट बनाना प्रोफेसर, पहला बनाना प्रोफेसर। बोट में ना सर, उसका देख दो।
आप स्विमिंग सीख जाओ।
स्विमिंग आती है?
आती है, मैडम को नहीं आती है?
मैडम को नहीं आती।
ये कर मरे।
क्या हो रहा है?
Don't worry, no problem. जैकेट ठीक नहीं बांधेगा क्या उसको?
बोटे में लर्न रहे सिद्ध। बनाने पे बिठाओ रे।
पीछे गैस। उठा रे, ठीक से उठाना।
शेक्या से धकेलना को।
You okay? चढ़ाओ रे जल्दी। क्या कर रहे रे लोग?
हट रहे जल्दी। अब मत पटका। हाँ मोटो सा राउंड मार अंदर जा रहा हूँ कोरियन बोटे मसाला है Shit. मतलब मैडम माइला वनला शे ए लिया रे कोरियन खिचला जो शिवे बनन काढ हाँ बनाना और मैडम को बोर्ड में लेने का ओके ओके अभी जाएंगे अजय कोना पटका माओ कोरिन हाँ मैडम आएंगे आप आ जाओ मैडम रुको 1 मिनट पानी में नहीं पानी में कहाँ से पानी में नहीं जाए पानी में नहीं जाएंगे आप
हम भी बोट में आ सकते हैं
आपको एंजॉय हो गया आपका पकड़ के रख रहे बोर्ड पकड़ के रख
कैसा है मजा है निकालने का क्या
होता है क्या वो सड़ी में होएगा डोरी निकालने चेक कर ललित आगे जा ललित आगे जा आगे बैठ
अरे डोरी निकाल लगा इधर
डोरी बाद में निकालना जब नजदीक आएगा तब अभी फिलहाल आगे खड़े रहे दे